The number of coronavirus cases across the world has surpassed 16.9 million, while the pandemic has claimed more than 6,87,000 lives so far. US President Donald Trump said his administration is working on a big immigration bill. Pakistan and Turkey have agreed to stay in close contact on all issues of common interest. Canada extended travel ban till August 31st and launches COVID Alert App. Australia declared curfew in Victoria to contain COVID-19. Kuwait bans commercial flights to 31 countries including Pakistan.